medical non-invasive ventilator, the BiPAP machine. The CPAP machine is only can give the same breathing pressure to the patients, but this machine has more functions. It can give the different inhalation and exhalation breathing pressures. And compared with the CPAP, and this machine has the multiple ventilation mode, in total 6 modes, including the CPAP, auto mode, S, T, SNT, and the APCV mode. And as I mentioned just now, it can record the sleeping report, so you can show it to your doctor to give you correct treatment solution to you.